Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vectors, that is expression for the dot product of two vectors, that is a bar dot b bar in terms of I cap, j cap and k cap. Suppose we take example, that is a bar is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap and b bar is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Be any two vectors, find the dot product of two vectors, that is a bar dot b bar. In answer, we know that the value of a bar and b bar. Therefore, find a bar dot b bar is equal to, we put the value of a bar and b bar given values, that is a bar is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap into value of b bar, that is b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. We multiply the first term to all second bracket, then we get the value that is equal to a1 into b1 I cap dot I cap plus a1 into b2 I cap dot j cap plus a1 into b3 I cap dot k cap. Then we multiply second term, then we write plus a2 into b1 I cap dot j cap, a2 into b1 j cap dot I cap, then a2 into b2 plus a2 into b2 j cap dot j cap, then plus a2 into b3 j cap dot k cap, j cap dot k cap term. Then last term a3 k cap, we multiply, then we get plus a3 into b1 k cap into I cap plus a3 into b2 term k cap dot g cap, then a3 into b3 k cap dot k cap. Then property 5, we know that the value of I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap and k cap dot k cap is 1, and j cap dot I cap dot j cap and k cap dot I cap is 0. Put the values and write the above equation, that is equal to a1 into b1 value of I cap dot I cap is 1 into 1 plus a1 into b2 I cap dot j cap, that is 0 plus a1 into b3 I cap dot k cap, that is also 0. Then plus a2 into b1 j cap dot I cap, it is 0 plus a2 b2 j cap dot j cap, we get value is 1. Then plus a2 into b3 j cap dot k cap, that is 0. Then plus a3 b1 into 0 plus a3 b2 k cap dot j cap into 0 plus a3 into b3 into 1. All the values we get 0. Then only value of A1 B1, A2 B2 and A3 B3, that is we multiply 1, we get it is as it is. Therefore is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3 into 1. Therefore we get the dot product of A bar dot B bar is equal to A1 into B1 plus A2 into B2 plus A3 into B3. When we take the example, if value of A bar is equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap and B bar is equal to I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap, find the A bar dot B bar. In answer, we write the values of A bar is equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap and B bar is equal to I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. That is given values. Then we write its dot product A bar dot B bar is equal to, put the values 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap into value of B bar, that is I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. We multiply the term 2I cap into whole bracket second. Therefore 2 into 1 we get 2. 2 into I cap dot I cap, we get that its value is 1. Put here. Then 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 6, I cap dot J cap, that is 0. Then plus 2 into 1 we get 2, I into K, it is 0. Then second term minus J cap, minus 1 into plus 1 we get minus 1 into J cap into I cap, 0. Then minus 1 into 3, minus 3, J cap dot J cap, we get 1. Then minus 1 into 1 we get minus 1 and J cap dot K cap, that is 0. And last term, that is 3 into 1 we get 3, K cap dot J cap, K cap dot I cap, that is 0, plus 3 into 3 9, K cap dot J cap, that is 0, plus 3 into 1 that is 3 and K cap dot K cap, that is 1. Then we write all the values 0 and we multiply 1, we get the as it is values. Therefore 2 into 1 that is 2, 6 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 3 into 1 that is minus 3, minus 1 into 0 0, 3 into 0 0, plus 9 into 0 0, plus 3 into 1 that is plus 3. Then plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled and we get value is equal to 2. Therefore the value of A bar dot B bar is equal to 2. Okay, we will stop here.